This is the EVO event, the leader in commercial presentation cooking equipment. This high-performance ventless indoor action station is a game changer. It is designed and manufactured in the USA and has been recognized by operators and chefs for the quality, craftsmanship, and cooking consistency. The patented event ventless cooking station is being used by leading food service chains as well as front-of-the-house cooking for restaurants, sports arenas, cafeterias, convention centers, resorts, grocery stores, and numerous other food service operations. The event includes a high-efficiency electric griddle integrated with a low-noise efficient CFM downdraft ventilation system that extracts air across the griddle surface through a series of filters, including an electrostatic precipitator that removes smoke and grease particulates before exhausting clean air. In addition, the event is equipped with the latest in technology and safety and includes an automatic fire suppression system. The event opens possibilities in commercial kitchen design. Now you can position the cooktop anywhere. You are no longer constrained or restricted by overhead hoods or air systems. Fully featured, the event comes equipped with a resistive touchscreen, display controls, and cook temperature presets for cooking from 100 to 550 degrees, and a ventilation monitoring system. A 35 or 48 by 24 inch full rectangular steel griddle surrounded with black granite countertop. Units are electric and can be ordered 208 or 220 or 308 volt, whichever electrical you prefer. Event units come with a 1-year warranty from the original date of installation. When performance matters in any location, the EVO event provides food concepts innovative ways to optimize sales, minimize costs, and reduce waste with an emphasis on freshness and sustainability.